Okay, we're starting our second week of school, and I want to give you a weekly overview. So, this is the week we're in, August 24th through August 28th. So, you can see that our last week has slidden down. So, remember, every new week will be the first week you see. Let me click in here and let's talk about what we're going to do this week. So, first things first, uh, every day this week, period 1, 3, and 5, will report to room 558. Okay, you're going to do your achievement gap video computer assessment. Okay, again, you report to room 558 right at the beginning of the period, first, third, and fifth period, and you'll do your achievement gap assessment. Okay, so here's what we got this week. Here are your materials you need, same as last week. Here's your vocab. Okay, your vocab is due on Wednesday. That's something you need to take a picture of and turn it in. Then here's our objective of the week. Okay, so we have two topics we're going to go over. So one is the distributive property, and the other one is solving one variable equation using the inverse operation. Okay, our distributive property notes go on page 5 and 6 in our notebook. Remember, the page that I give you or the page that you copy from me goes on the right side, and then your three questions and your summary goes on the left side. So one variable equation notes, there is no notes for that template wise, but you got to write down the notes when the teacher is going over the video. But there is three questions that belong on your left hand side. Okay, so again, there's no template for page 7 and 8, but you have to copy down the notes as the teacher is going over them in her video. Okay, but there is a page 7 for you with the three questions. Notebooks will not be graded this week, but when you're in class, I may ask you for your notebook. And if you don't have it or you don't have your work completed, you're going to receive a 0. Okay, so make sure you stay on top of your notebooks. Just because I don't check them doesn't mean you shouldn't do them. Also, remember to update your table of contents also. On Tuesday and Friday, you have worksheets for the distributive property. So once you click in your folder, so Tuesday and Friday folder, you should have some worksheets that you should be able to get to. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you are able to contact me through my contacts in the welcome folder. Let's have a good week.